Georgia. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices. Your safety remains Delta's top priority. As we deplane today, we are asking everyone to help us out by allowing extra space between yourself and other customers. Please remain seated until the customers seated in front of you have retrieved their belongings and begin moving towards the boarding door.